I have my paper person package here, and I'm very excited. This is the first time that I have received a paper person kit. I did subscribe a couple weeks ago, so I'm really looking forward to this. I used to subscribe to Kelly Purkey's kits back quite a long time ago, and I always really loved them. So the first thing I have here is the Kip Alpha stamp set. It was $17.49, and it's not included in the kit. It's an extra purchase, and I just couldn't resist. I always love me a good font, and I really love skinny fonts. It reminds me a lot of the Maple font here. Really love this alpha. It's one of my favorites, so I'm looking forward to adding that to my stash and using it in my project life. So let's open this up. Paper Person Shop. And you know what? I'm going to save this sticker because it's my first Paper Person kit. I will probably include this in my project life. So I will stick that over to the side for now. So it comes in a cute little white paper bag, which could be used for layers, of course. Okay, so let's have a look at the cards first. So we have this blue one. These are double-sided 3x4 cards. So we have this one. It says right now, just a quick to-do list. And then on the other side, we just have lines. Then on this one, we have a blue card with white journaling space on it. It says a few of my birthday traditions, things I eat, things I do, location, people, party time, presents or cards, tips, trips or getaways, and extra special details. On the other side, we have another lined card, but this time in red. So this kit seems to have a birthday theme. We have this kind of, I guess maybe a currently card here. We've got on this day. You can put the date. You can click off whether it's the morning, afternoon, evening, or night and do some journaling. And then this card is lined, but in red. Or pink, actually. Then we have a confetti polka dot card. The other side is blue lines. You see a theme here. This one says 2022, my birthday. I'm going to have to put this away until December. So you can kind of check off. I like these kind of data things. I don't usually do these, but I like the idea of it. Maybe I should try to do it this year. It says the year of the tiger. Make changes and take risks. I really like that tiger. He's really cute. Then the other side is yellow lines. What was the lines on this one? Green lines on the other side of that one. Did I show the lines on the confetti one? Blue lines. So this one is all kind of rainbow lines, rainbow stripes. And the other side is, that's a very light pink lined card. This says best birthday ever and gives you some stats to fill in. The other side is a red lined card. This one says March and has the month on it. Red lines on the other side. This one is blue, almost like a paint chip kind of look, like color bands. The other side is a very navy blue lines. Did I show the lines on that one? They were red. This one says Let's Party. And the other side has red, has blue lines. Party playlist. All bangers all the time. Green lines. Time to pop the champagne. Yellow lines. This is a cute doodly frame with a scallopy edge in like a soft orange color and orange lines on the other side. No pink lines on the other side. This one says happy birthday and red lines on the other side. Anatomy of a cake. Oh, I really like this one. You could color in that cake if you wanted, but I really like that card. And then it's red lines on the other side. I love that the back sides of these cards are all lined. Really like that. I wonder if it's like that all the time. And just thinking about what I might want to do with this kit, even though I'm super excited to use some of Kelly Perky's products, I feel like a lot of these I could put almost into a kit the same way that I do with my Allie Edwards story kits and have it be like a birthday kit for documenting either my birthday. I don't think I've ever documented my birthday, to be honest. I document a lot of other people's birthdays, but I kind of feel like potentially taking all the birthday stuff out of here and putting them together as a birthday kit. And then just using this stuff for this month. Then we have a stamp set here, and I love label stamp sets. This one is called Labels. And it has some rectangular labels and also some square and circle ones and some numbers and years of like months. Years of the month. Months of the year. And you could stamp, January and then your numbers here and then 2022 and put it inside of this, or you could put it on that, or that you could put it anywhere. Obviously, it's a stamp. You can put it anywhere. But I really like this. This would be a nice alternative to roller date stamps. My roller date stamp is almost out of time. Like it's, I think I'm in the last year for it. So then we have a set of number stickers. I'm not a big numbers person, but, and so therefore I don't have a lot of number stickers. So it's kind of nice to have a set. I'll keep these in mind. Then we have 2 sheets of these border stickers, and they're paper, and it's like a matted paper. It's not shiny, but it's almost like a plasticized paper. So I do think that you would have to be cautious about what markers you were to use on this if you were to try to outline or mark anything on it. You might have to use a slick surface writer. I don't know for sure. But I really like this. There's a number line and some stripes and these cute little dogs with party hats on. And champagne and cakes and cupcakes and stuff. And oh, I love that disco one. And then a whole bunch of candles and then some more champagne. Oh, I really like that disco one a lot. That's so cute. I really also like the dogs with birthday hats. I'm not a dog person. I don't have dogs, but I really love those, especially that guy. He's so cute. So, okay, we have that. And now let's have a look at these papers. So we have one that is just a month of the year. And I wonder if you always get one of these. That would be kind of nice if that's the case. Of course, I'm starting in the middle of a calendar year, so pardon me. So that's kind of nice. I like that. And I like that it's green, probably for St. Patrick's Day. You could use this in a planner, or it could be a way to add like a planner flair to your pocket pages. I like the flip side is just this very plain light pink polka dot. Oh, they're all polka dots on the back. Oh, that's so nice. Now we have a large size of this kind of banded color band type of paper. The flip side is a green polka dot. This reminds me a little bit of Slinkies, even though it's not. They're so cool. Very bold, graphic kind of design, like that. And then the flip side is a blue polka dot. This one also reminds me of the Slinkies. Love this. And then the flip side is like a mustard polka dot. I like this one too. I love this raspberry pink color. Very pretty, and I like that pattern too. Flip side is the same raspberry, I think, in polka dot. Then we have gifts. And of course, these are 6x8, so you could cut them all down into 4x6 if you wanted to, and that way you'd have a whole bunch of 4x6 cards, or you could use them for pattern paper for using in a traveler's notebook or one of those smaller Project Life or pocket albums. I'm going to cut these apart right now. Yeah, I'm going to cut them apart right now. So I'll just use this. So firstly, and of course they all have polka dots on the back. So firstly, we have this index card in blue. Polka dots are that golden color on the other side. Then we have this pink one. It looks like it's got little white sprinkles on it. And the yellow polka dot on the other side. Then we have another one of these data cards. And black polka dots. Black polka dots on the other side. And then we have this floral. It's a black and white floral, and it has black polka dots on the other side. So really, really cute. I am inclined to cut these down right away. I am much more likely to use these as 4x6s or 3x4s even. I always find that I run out of 4x6 cards before anything else. My stash for 4x6 is smaller than my stash for 3x4s, and I'm often scurrying, reaching, trying to find or make a 4x6 card to be a background for something. So I am going to like having these extra patterns on hand to have in the 4x6 size. Then let's have a look at these die cut pieces. I think these are going to be birthday themed. Oh, they're really nice. Party time, having the time of your life, happy birthday to you, celebrate good times, these black and white gifts. A label with a disco ball. Another label with a cupcake. The Year of the Tiger. I feel like I gotta put that on my Project Life. Cheers. And another tag that says happy birthday to you. I'm gonna take out the Year of the Tiger. Everything else I think I'll save and keep with the birthday themed stuff. Not only is my birthday no time soon, but I can't think of anybody else's birthday that's anytime soon either. So yeah, I might put the whole kit away and use it as a whole, or I might just file it away as birthday. Like file these things away as birthday themed items. I'll have to think on it and I will let you know. But for now, thanks for watching my little unboxing video. Take care and have a really great scrappy week.